Hello everyone, and welcome back to another amazing video. If you're still searching for work from home jobs, something you can do from the comfort of your home, I wanted to watch this video because I'm going to share these two companies that are currently hiring people. Okay, so if you're interested, watch this video to the end. Don't fast forward anything, watch it to the end. If today is your first time stopping by, please, I implore you to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So the first company we're going to look at is Supportive. So this company is hiring people for peer support moderator. So it's a part-time or contractor-based job. They're looking for people in United States or global, so you can work from anywhere if you're hired. So this is their welcome note. It says, are you passionate about supporting others through their life struggles? Do you currently have or have you ever had a background in psychology, counseling, coaching, or emotional wellness training? Have others in your life shared that you are easy to talk to, warm, and a good listener? Do you enjoy communicating with others via text or chats? If so, we welcome you to apply for the peer support moderator role. Supportive peer support moderators guide, facilitate, and safeguard our 247 peer-to-peer small group chats. The position is a part-time contractor role, which does not include employee status or benefits. The role is 100% online, fully remote, work from home. Moderators designate their own flexible hours. Moderators may be eligible for incentives based on time commitment and work performance. All global time zones are welcome. So if you're asking, they are hiring from all global time zones. They're hiring from anywhere, any location at all. So the pay rate is $15 per hour. And the type of candidate they are seeking for is the one with passion for emotional health and mental wellness, capacity to provide judgment-free support on a wide range of topics, strong interpersonal communication skills such as active listening, validation, empathy, open-ended questioning, and group facilitation, ability to self-edit, advice given on armchair therapy, both strictly prohibited, and follow protocols, openness to learning new skills, participating in ongoing training, and taking feedback towards continuous professional improvement. So the job requirements for this one is you must be age 18 or above. So written and verbal fluency in English, including colloquialisms and slang, strong reading comprehension skills, tech savviness, and strong internet connection, minimum commitment of 5 hours of moderating per week, completion of a thorough qualification assessment online, approximately 6 hours at your own pace, assisted by provided lessons, including topics such as empathy, tone, active listening, unconscious bias detection and response, conflict de-escalation, radical acceptance, and mental health basics, and so on. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. Click on the link and apply. So you're basically going to chat with lonely people. You're going to chat with people that are going through challenges in their lives. You're going to chat with people that need emotional support. That is all you're going to do. So you're going to chat. You're not going to talk to them. You're not going to meet them face to face. No, you're not doing a video call whatsoever. You're only going to chat with these people. Okay, so if you're interested, click on this apply button here and apply and see if you get hired. The second company we're going to look at. Meanwhile, if you click on this button, it brings you to this page where you can be able to read all that you need for this job and see if you fit into the skills. And remember, it is completely remote and they can hire you regardless of your location. Also, they take entry levels, so you mustn't be an expert before you apply. They take entry levels as well. The second one we're going to look at is Invisible. Invisible is currently hiring from different locations worldwide, from different people with different languages and all. But for today, you can see all the jobs available. I'm going to show you this one that I think is suitable for most people, which is this one. Where is it? To train AI. So if you know you can train AI, I think you should look at it. Advanced AI data trainer. This is the one I think is suitable for a lot of people. So this one you're going to train AI is Advanced AI data trainer, and it's fully remote, but it's a short-term project. Okay, so it says that we already use AI in many ways, like deciding what products and services to order, and it may be most familiar to use as a chatbot, as an avatar maker, or as a way to unlock your screen. But here's what AI may be able to help the world with: finding medical diagnosis, teaching you about scientific research, and calculating the complexity of any function. But like humans, algorithms are what they eat. They're only as good as the rules they know and the data they are trained on. So as the role entails you that it entails that you will be working closely with a team of other trainers within protocols developed by the world's leading AI researchers, training the AI to read, write, summarize knowledge, and interpret meaning. Think of it like being a language arts teacher or a personal tutor for some of the world's most influential technology. So day in, day out, you will train the AI. You will spend the bulk of your time generating examples of ideas, ideal conversations, acting as both the user and the AI, for the AI to learn from, collecting resources, helping it breed large and all. So you're also going to evaluate the AI. You're going to test the AI. So for the person, it is a humanities job that uses technology and relies more fully on your competencies than your formal experience, making it a rare opportunity that's perfect for new grads, career transitioners, and those seeking an exciting encore career. So the position is great if you are the sort of person who is exceptional at generating copy intuitively, enjoying writing creatively on a frequent basis. You also have the metacognitive awareness to show your work. In short, you are someone who lives to learn, can't wait to try something new, drinks in language deeply, expressives their thinking fluidly, and so on. So these are the qualities that you must have to be able to get this job. It's an entry-level role, perfect for voracious readers early in their careers, or for career switchers keen to enter the technology field. And the pay is $17.50 per hour. That's $17.50 per hour. To to top applicants anywhere in the world. Ideally, you're available between Eastern, EST and PST time zones. So check it. If you're in these time zones, check it out. This is how it looks like. Apply here, attach your resume. If you don't have a resume, try and get one. There are so many free templates online for you to choose from to create your resume, so that whenever you have this opportunity to apply for jobs, you can easily go and take your, upload your resume instead of having to start afresh. You can make some changes that would include the type of position or the type of job that you're applying to. Just make a little changes, but you must have a resume at hand. So guys, these are the 2 jobs that are hiring right now that I thought to share with you guys. So you can go and apply. If you're in these time zones and you feel you can do it, why not go and apply and see if you get hired. So I'm going to end this video here, and thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this time, well done. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.